How to leave WhatsApp group without knowing anyone. Basically, minimizing visibility when you exit a group. So let's get started. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. So here, navigate to the group you want to exit. Let me just simply tap on any group for now. And once you tap on the group name at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to the your WhatsApp group settings. So now once you're there, scroll down till the bottom unless you see exit group option available there. So once you see exit group option available at the bottom, all you have to do is tap on the exit group and confirm the exit, and in the message heading of the exit group you can see that only admins can find out that you have left the group, not the regular members in there. Simply tap on the exit group and only admins will find out. The message will not pop up in the WhatsApp group section available there. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.